Shri Krishna Mitro. In last time we can discuss about aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. In this chapter lastly we can discuss about the carboxylic acids, and particularly we can discuss about the chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. In which we can study the reactions which is governed according to the cleavage of OH bond. Then we can study the reaction which is due to the cleavage of CO bond, COH bond, मतलब કે કાર્બન ઓક્સિજન બોન્ડ ક્લેવ થાય એના કારણે જે રિએક્શન્સ હતી એને આપણે સ્ટડી કરી. Then we can here discuss about the reactions involving COOH group. Reactions involving COOH group. Reactions involving COOH group, in which we can first study reduction reactions. Study reduction reactions or reactions, whatever. Suppose if we can have a carboxylic acid, RCOOH, and we can reduce it with the help of lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of ether solvent, or you can use also a B2H6 diborane. B2H6 diborane and followed by H3O plus. Second step में H3O plus add करो, it can generate the primary alcohol RCOOH. Primary alcohol. Yes. The reducing agents which is useful to convert carboxylic acid into primary alcohol is first lithium aluminium hydride in presence of ether. Second one is B2H6 diborane. Third one is CuO plus Cr2O3. CuO plus Cr2O3. This is also a reducing agent. And next one is H2/Ru in the presence of rhodium hydrogen. B2H6 અથવા તો આવું પણ લખી શકું BH3 in presence of THF tetrahydrofuran, because a diborane ने decompose કરશે મોનો molecules ની અંદર, ની तरह डाइमर है. तो CuO plus Cr2O3 પણ यूज કરી શકાય, LiLH4 પણ यूज કરી શકાય, આ પણ यूज કરી શકાય. એક વાત યાદ રાખજો મિત્રો, ડાઇબોરેન જે છે B2H6 does not easily reduce functional groups such as ester, nitro, halo, etc. Diborane does not easily reduce ester, halo, nitro, etc. groups. Generally એને reduce नहीं કરી શકે easily B2H6. Yes, and suppose if you can have sodium borohydride, then it cannot reuse carboxyl group. Sodium borohydride NaBH4, sodium borohydride, it cannot reduce a COOH group or carboxylic group. It is remember always. Here, if you can write down some reactions, it is like that. Suppose we can have a CH3COOH, acetic acid or ethanoic acid, acetic acid or ethanoic acid, we can reduce with the help of whatever reagent here. First LiAl LiAlH4 oblique ether followed by the hydrolysis H3O plus, we can obtain CH3CH2OH. Carbon remains same, number of carbon remains same, it is ethanol. First reactions. Suppose we can think about the next example, it is like that. If we can use second reagents, benzoic acid there, that is benzoic acid, and we can reduce with the help of CuO plus Cr2O3, or we can use also BH3 in presence of THF or B2H6, and it is converted into the CH2OH. That is primary alcohol, not a phenol. Clear? It is primary alcohol, benzyl alcohol plus H2O. Plus H2O. Clear? If you can use CuO plus Cr2O3, then H2O molecules is released like that. Yes, if you can use LiLH4, there also H2O molecule is released, and the product is like that, benzyl alcohol. So it is the first reactions which you can study here, which is reduction reactions. You can clear about that. Now we can study the second types of reactions. Now we can study here a second type of reaction, which is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation reaction. Yes, carboxylic acids lose the carbon dioxide molecule to form a hydrocarbon. Clear? To form a hydrocarbon. When their sodium salts are generally heated with soda lime, એમાં શું કરવામાં આવે? Sodium salts of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime. Soda lime means it is a mixture of NaOH and CO in 3:1 proportion. It is a mixture of NaOH and CO by 3:1 proportion, and it can lose the carbon. Here hydrocarbon is generated and Na2CO3 is released. From this Na2CO3 is break and carbon dioxide is generated. This reaction is known as decarboxylation reactions. This reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. Suppose કે એને general form માં લખીએ તો RCOONA, we can hit it NaOH or CaO, we can heat it, then we can generate first RH plus Na2CO3. One carbon atom is less. एक carbon atom less થઈ જશે. Clear? Write down the second example. CH3COONA, sodium acetate, reagent is same, NaOH, CaO. ઘણી બધી બુક્સ આમ પણ આપે છે ડાયરેક્ટલી NaOH આપી દઈએ અહીંયા CaO આપીને હિટ કરે. પ્રોડક્ટ ઇઝ સેમ. પ્રોડક્ટ ઇઝ CH4 મિથેન plus Na2CO3 because one carbon atom is less. Here two carbon atoms are there. There are two carbon atoms. Here one carbon atom containing hydrocarbon, which is methane. Clear? So it is according to the number of carbons decreasing. It can decrease the number of carbon, one carbon atom from the carboxylic acid salt. Suppose we can have a benzoate, sodium benzoate, COONA, sodium benzoate, name is sodium benzoate, and we can treat it with NaOH and in the presence of CaO. We can heat it, we can have benzoic acid sorry, benzene plus Na2CO3, because one carbon atom is less here. A carbon atom nikadi gyo, we can have only and only benzoic acid. Clear? Suppose two carboxylic groups are there to the same carbon atom. Suppose कि आपने अगर कोई वो carboxylic acid हुई, we can have a carboxylic acid which can have two carboxylic acids groups on the same carbon atom. Two carboxylic acid groups are attached to the same carbon atom. The name is malonic acid. And we can heat it up to 415 to 435 Kelvin. We can obtain here acetic acid, CH3COOH plus CO2. CH3COOH plus CO2. It is like that. It is a particular reaction. કોઈ પણ એક ગ્રુપમાંથી COOH ક્રિએટ થશે અને એક મોલેક્યુલ CO2 જનરેટ ટૂંકમાં રિલીઝ કરશે, કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ રિલીઝ કરશે. યસ, બીટા કીટો એસિડ્સ આર અનસ્ટેબલ એસિડ્સ and they easily undergo decarboxylation. Beta keto acids are unstable acids and they easily undergo decarboxylation. We can give the example. Suppose we can have a benzene ring and here we can have C double bond O, then we can have CH2COOH. It is beta keto acid. It is alpha carbon, it is beta carbon, which is keto. Beta keto acid. Then we can heat it. Generally it can lose the carbon dioxide molecule and we can have the molecule like that, which is ketone, CH3. Benzene ring remains as it is, C double bond O as it is. અહીંયા CH2 એની હારે હાઇડ્રોજન કમ્બાઇન થશે, means CH3 plus CO2 is released. This is ketone molecule. We can have a ketone. These are different types of decarboxylations you can study here. Now if you can think the next one, then it is Kolbe's electrolysis, in which alkali metal salts of carboxylic acid undergoes decarboxylation on electrolysis in their aqueous solutions and form a hydrocarbon having twice number of carbon atoms present in alkyl group of acids, and this is known as Kolbe's electrolysis, which we can study in hydrocarbon very deeply. You can refer from this. This Kolbe's electrolysis is studies in hydrocarbon part. You can refer from this hydrocarbon chapter. Next one is the substitution reactions in the hydrocarbon part. Substitution reactions in the hydrocarbon part. Substitution reactions in the hydrocarbon part. In this first reactions which you can study here is halogenation. In this particularly one reaction is there which is HVZ reaction. Halogenation માં પણ આપણે HVZ reaction study કરશું, which is generally known as this is a scientist name Wolfhard Zelinsky, ZELINSKY reaction. It is very important. Wolfhard Zelinsky reactions. Generally આ reactions કોણ આપી શકે, કઈ condition માં આપે? What is the reagents? Carboxylic acids આપશે આવી. The carboxylic acid which can have an alpha hydrogen atom are halogenated at the position of alpha on the treatment with chlorine or bromine in the presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halocarboxylic acids RCH2COOH, it is alpha carbon. Here we can use first X2 oblique red phosphorus, H2 oblique red phosphorus, and second step is water. Here X is only chlorine and bromine. Here X is only chlorine and bromine. If you can give the reaction, then we can have RCHX and COOH. It is alpha halocarboxylic acid. Alpha halocarboxylic acid. Suppose if you can think about the example of these reactions, then we can say that suppose we can have acetic acid CH3COOH, and you can treat it with Cl2 in presence of red phosphorus, and second step is water molecule. Firstly we can have the molecule like that, it is directly alpha carbon, CH2Cl COOH, because it is alpha carbon. એમાંથી એક હાઇડ્રોજનનું સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન થશે with the help of chlorine, and minus HCl is released. Here minus HX, minus HCl is released. The name of this molecule is chloroacetic acid. Very simple. Chloroacetic acid. Yes. If we cannot stop the reaction, then it can go through the reaction further up to alpha hydrogens are there. जो અહીંયા 3 alpha hydrogens are there. एक वक्त रिएक्शन થઈ હજી 2 alpha hydrogens are there. Further આપણે જો reaction further આપીએ Cl2 in presence of red phosphorus and H2O, then it is CHCl and Cl COOH. 2 hydrogens are substituted. It is dichloroacetic acid. Generally આવી રીતના રાઈટ થાય Cl2 CHCOOH dichloroacetic acid. જો સ્ટોપ ન કરવામાં આવે તો ફર્ધર થાય હજી રિએક્શન, બીકોઝ હજી એક alpha hydrogens are there. Therefore if you can treat with Cl2 oblique red phosphorus in the presence of water molecule, it can give Cl3CCOOH, which is trichloroacetic acid. Trichloroacetic acid, Cl3 3COOH. અહીંયા સ્ટોપ થઈ જશે રિએક્શન. મીન્સ how many alpha hydrogens are there એની પર રિએક્શન ડિપેન્ડ કરે. જો તમે સ્ટોપ ન કરો તો ફર્સ્ટ alpha hydrogen સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ થાય, then second થાય, then third થાય. અહીંયા પણ HCl થશે માઇનસ, અહીંયા પણ માઇનસ HCl થશે. અપ ટુ alpha hydrogen હશે ત્યાં સુધી રિએક્શન કેરી આઉટ થશે. Clear? So it will be very clear from the study of this example. Yes. Why we can carry out these alpha halo compounds? Because it is useful to synthesize the many compounds which is costly in market. કોઈ આપણને એવું પૂછે કે તમે આલ્ફા હેલો એસિડ કમ્પાઉન્ડ શા માટે સિન્થેસાઇઝ કર્યા, તો રીઝન આવું છે મિત્રો. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ટુ પ્રિપેર ધ મેની ગ્રુપ્સ. સપોઝ કે આપણે આગળ CH3CHCl COOH છે, which is alpha chloropropionic acid. alpha chloropropionic acid, બરાબર. And we can treat it with different reagents to get a different product. If you can treat it with NaOH in aqueous media, then NaCl is released and we can get alcohol, CH3CHOH COOH. मतलब we can obtain alpha hydroxypropionic acid, which is lactic acid. That is lactic acid, alpha hydroxypropionic acid. Suppose we can react it with NaCl, sodium cyanide, then NaCl is released. And the molecule formed is CH3CHCnCOOH. And the name of this molecule is alpha cyanopropionic acid, alpha hydroxypropionic acid, alpha cyanopropionic acid. suppose if we can treat with ammonia or 2 molecules of ammonia, then NH4Cl is released, ammonium chloride, and we can have CH3 CHCOOH and here NH2, alpha amino propionic acid. Clear? And next one is AgNO2. AgNO2. Suppose કે આપણે AgNO2 સાથે હિટ કરીએ. કોની સાથે હિટ કરીએ? AgNO2. Then it can give the molecules like that. CH3 CHNO2 COOH, alpha nitropropionic acid, and AgCl is released. Alpha nitropropionic acid write down. So it is a very important intermediate to synthesize the so many costly compounds like alpha hydroxypropionic acid, alpha cyanopropionic acid, alpha aminopropionic acid, or alpha nitropropionic acids. We cannot directly synthesize very easily. We can synthesize with the help of this intermediate. So I think you'll be clear about that. Clear? And one particular reaction is also there which you can study here. Suppose we can have a CH3 CHClCOOH and we can treat it with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. Then you know that elimination reactions are there and we can have the molecule like that. CH2 double bond CHCOOH. And the elimination reactions are there. KCl and H2 is released. That is elimination reaction. That is different. If you can use alcoholic KOH, then the reaction product is different. Clear? Next is ring substitutions. Ring substitutions. Yes. Suppose if we can have aromatic compounds, then we can think about the aromatic carboxylic acids. Then aromatic carboxylic acids undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. And the carboxylic group acts as a deactivating, therefore we can obtain the meta derivatives of these products, or we can have a meta derivative product, meta substituted compound, carboxylic acid, because COOH is a deactivating group. Therefore, the substitution of electrophile is done on the position of meta, like that. Suppose we can have benzoic acid. You know that this is a deactivating group. Therefore, the substitutions of electrophile is occurs on the meta position. That is benzoic acid. You can think about 3 different electrophilic substitution reactions. First, if we can have an HNO3 and H2SO4 mixture, nitrating mixture, and we can heat it, we can obtain the product like that. Meta nitrobenzoic acid. Meta nitrobenzoic acid. It is nitration reactions. NO2 plus is the electrophile here. You know that. It is the electrophile. Next, suppose we can take a fuming HNO3. Fuming H2SO4, and we can heat it. We can obtain the 3-sulfonic benzoic acid. 3 सल्फोनिक benzoic acid. Suppose we can take a bromination of Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation. Here we can take a bromination Br2 of FeBr3 because Br2 સાથે FeBr3 વધારે સૂટ થાય. And what is the product? Meta-bromobenzoic acid. Clear? Same we can perform Friedel-Crafts reactions. Clear. And Lewis acids are added to Lewis acid in the presence of catalyst Lewis acid. We can perform the Friedel-Crafts alkylations and Friedel-Crafts acylations also. That is a general reactions we can study in the ring because our reactions ring ની અંદર થશે અને due to the COOH થશે. બરાબર? मतलब કે COOH ને કોઈ ઇફેક્ટ નહીં થાય રિંગ ની અંદર એટલે કે હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન પાર્ટ ની અંદર સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન થશે અને HVZ માં પણ એવું હતું કે COOH ને કોઈ ઇફેક્ટ નહોતી હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન પાર્ટ ની અંદર રિએક્શન્સ હતી. ક્લિયર? આલ્ફા કાર્બન ઉપર સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન થતું હતું. So મિત્રો according to the textbook we can complete our chapter here and the last portion is uses of carboxylic acid. Last portion is uses of carboxylic acid. આજે યુઝિસ થઈ જાય પછી હું એક લેક્ચર હજી થોડોક લઈશ આની અંદર કે જેમાં એક્સ્ટ્રા રિએક્શન જે છે મારે કરવાની એવું પરફોર્મ કરાવી દઈશ. યુઝિસની અંદર આપણને આવ્યું કે મિથોનિક એસિડ ઇઝ યુઝ ઇન રબર ટેક્સટાઇલ ડાઇંગ લેધર એન્ડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોપ્લેટિંગ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ. એ આપણે રિમેમ્બર કરવાનું હોય એ ઇલેક્ટ્રોપ્લેટિંગ રબર ડાઇંગ બધાની અંદર યુઝ થાય. ક્લિયર? ઇથેનોઇક એસિડ ઇઝ યુઝ એઝ સોલ્વન્ટ એન્ડ વિનેગર ઇન ફૂડ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી. મતલબ કે એસિટિક એસિડ છે વિનેગર તરીકે યુઝ થાય ફૂડ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીની અંદર. બરાબર? સોલ્વન્ટ તરીકે પણ એનો યુઝ કરી શકાય. Hexandioic acid is used in the manufacturing of nylon 66. मतलब કે nylon 66 particular polymer ની અંદર એનો યુઝ કરી શકાય. Ester of benzoic acids are used in perfumery and sodium benzoate is used as a food preservatives which you can study in last chapter chemistry in daily life. Higher fatty acids are used to manufacturing soaps and detergents. It is the uses of carboxylic acid which you can generally study in different chapters. So friends, according to the textbook we can complete or finish chapter here. In next lecture we can explain some important reactions or some important theories which should be not given in our textbook and we can study from alcohol phenol and aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid. આ ચેપ્ટર ની અંદર જે એક્સ્ટ્રા થિયરી હોય છે કે જે આપણને આ ટેક્સ્ટ ની અંદર આ પોર્શન ની અંદર નથી આપી એ આપણે સ્ટડી કરશું and then after we can finish the chapter. તો આજના માટે આટલું મિત્રો પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહેજો વધારે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ.